Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make a smart attendance sheet in Excel, perfect for tracking employees, students, or any group. Whenever I type 0 for absent and 1 for present, the sheet automatically updates the present and absent columns with data bars. Let's get started. Here I have the header. Select the cells you want, then apply merge and center to make it look neat. Next, apply a cell style to the header, increase the font size, and make it bold so it stands out. Select the percentage symbol and format it as per your choice. Enter the text date, select the required cells, then apply merge and center along with alignment and formatting. Next, let's format the remaining data. Next, enter the date here. And apply orientation formatting for a cleaner layout. Now drag the dates to the adjacent cells to continue the date series automatically. Apply cell style. Apply borders. You can further customize the sheet using different colors and formatting options according to your design. Adjust the column width if needed. Select all cells. Apply border. Middle align. Now select all the cells below the dates section. Go to the conditional formatting, icon sets. More rules. Now set the format style, pick your preferred icon set, enable show icon only, and apply the rules for each icon accordingly. Now set the type to number and input the values accordingly. Click OK. Now, when you type 1 and 0 in the cells, the icons will automatically update based on the rules you set. Go to the present column and type this formula. Is equal to COUNTIF. Select the range. 1. Divide by 25. Press enter. Double-click to copy down formula. Now change the number format to percentage from the number group. Now go to the absent column and type the formula is equal to 1 minus the present cell value. Copy down formula. Now select the present column data, go to conditional formatting, choose data bars, and click on more rules. Now set both minimum and maximum types to formula. Enter 0 for minimum and 1 for maximum, then go to bar appearance, choose your desired fill color, set the direction from right to left, and click OK. Now repeat the same steps for the absent column. Go to conditional formatting, data bars, more rules, set the same formula-based minimum and maximum. Enter values. And choose a different color to represent absence. Select bar direction. Then click OK. Now check the result by entering 1 and 0. The icons will automatically appear for present and absent, and the data bars will also update accordingly in real time. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.